Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today, I wanted to show you how you can change the battery in a Hyundai/Genesis key fob. This is my 2014 Santa Fe Sport key fob, and I'm pretty sure our late model Genesis will come with the same key fob. It's actually pretty easy, and what you really need is a flathead screwdriver. I am lazy that I don't want to go to my garage to grab my flathead, so I was going to use that or my 300ZX key fob and this pointy side to Now if you look closely, there is a ridge right over there. What you need to do is push into that until it cracks open. Okay, and twist, open. Once it cracks open, gently pry on all corners. Don't do it hard so that you don't leave any marks on the corner. That should be it. There you go. That's how you open the key fob. Now, as you know, here's the battery, and let's see what battery is it. How do I take this out? It's a CR2032 battery. Very common battery. When you put it back, what you have to do is first hook up this corner. So you hook this corner at the other side. Once you do that, you'll notice this side is already in, and then press. That's it. That's how you change a battery in a Hyundai key fob/Genesis key fob. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Yeah!